everyone. Very good afternoon. Let me know in this poll if my screen is visible or not, or if my voice is audible or not. Please let me know. Okay, both are clear. Done है. ठीक है. Let's wait for another some seconds because it has still not been 3 o'clock. Right now it is. So let's wait for another 1 minute. Okay, after that we can start. So how was your this test, unit test? Chalo, let's start with the class now. Acha, went very well. Very good. So today in the class, what we are going to do, already in one class I discussed some question of electrostats, and in that class, basically we discussed electric field type of questions and also electric force questions. Done. So today in this class, we are going to discuss again questions, but on which particular topic. So electric dipole we will be picking up, electric potential energy, and dipoles in external electric field. So based on all these 4 topics, there will be questions. Okay? So chalo. Now let's start with the very first question of today. Let me end the poll first. So how you will be solving the questions? I will be giving you some time. I will be launching the poll and you will be replying me. Also, you can reply me in the chat section and also you can vote in the poll. Okay? But voting in the poll, I will encourage more so that I can see how many of you are getting it correct. Okay? Chalo. So let's start with the very first question. This is, take your time. In the meantime, I'm launching the poll. Okay. Let me know what answers you're getting. Okay, I got some answers. I got only one answer. There are 2 people here. I will encourage everyone to answer. Please do it. There are 2 schools here. So every student sitting in the every class should be solving the question. Okay? Okay, can I get more answers? Chalo, theek hai. So I'm ending the poll here. So I got one answer that is correct. So what is the question? There is a charge Q microcoulomb is placed at the center of a cube. So you have a cube here, and cube is what sort of structure? This is a closed structure. And at the center of cube, there is a charge placed. And what is the value of that charge? That charge is your Q microcoulomb. And then it is asked that flux coming out from any one of its face will be what? Done. So you have studied Gauss's law. Gauss's law tells us what? Gauss's law tells us about flux through the closed surface is equal to what? So flux through closed surface, that is E dot ds, is written as Q enclosed by epsilon naught. Done. So in this case, cube is a closed surface. Flux through this closed surface, total flux will be equal to what? Total charge inside, that is this much coulomb divided by epsilon naught. Now the question is, what will be the flux through any of its one surface, right? So you see here, charge is kept at the center. So it is equidistant from each face. Done. So this is a case of symmetry. And in the case of symmetry, we can say that whatever flux is going through one surface will be equal to through the another surface. Done. So first, let's see how many surfaces this cube has. So surface has cube has how many surfaces? 6 surfaces. And through 6 surfaces, what will happen? Equal flux will pass, and total flux is this. So through one surface, flux will be how much? This will be your total flux divided by 6 epsilon naught. But in this question, if charge is not kept at the center, if it is kept somewhere else inside the cube, then in that case, you cannot say flux through one surface will be this much, right? Then this can't be answered in this way. Okay, chalo. So correct answer was that. Now, do this question. I will again launch the poll. ठीक है? तो सभी लोग आंसर कर. These are simple questions, formula-based questions. Done. So let me know what answers you're getting. Everyone, please answer in the poll. Okay, I didn't get any answer. What happened? किसी को याद नहीं है? Okay, I got one. What about others? Come on, everyone. This is a very simple question. More answers, please. चलो ठीक है. I'm ending the poll here. So, what's the question? 2-point charges minus q and plus q are placed at the distance of L as shown in the figure. So, distance between these two is L. Okay. Magnitude of electric field intensity at a distance R, where R is far, far greater than L, will be what? Done. So, if you see here, there are two charges, minus q, plus q, and you have to calculate electric field at a point very, very far away from it, and that is at a distance. From here, it is at a distance what? R. So if you are standing at point P, if you are standing at point P and you are looking at this minus Q and plus Q, what you will notice? Since P point is very much far away from these two charge system, sitting at P, you will find that minus Q and plus Q are almost at the same position. So you will find that minus Q and plus Q have a small separation. Done. And we have already studied that if two equal and opposite charges are separated by a small distance, then that can be termed as dipole, right? So here this two charge system for point P will act as a dipole. And if it is acting as a dipole, then for dipole electric field formula is what? If you remember, along the axis, axial point, that is at P, formula is how much? It is 2 Kp divided by Rq. And at equatorial point, the direction of electric field is opposite to the direction of dipole. Again, direction of dipole means direction from minus q to plus q charge. So here direction of dipole is this. So at equatorial position, direction of electric field is opposite to the direction of dipole, and its value will be how much? Kp by minus Kp by R cube. Why minus Kp? Because its direction is opposite to the direction of dipole.